Hi, I'm Dave Boniars. I'm with the U.S. Forest Service up in Amherst, Massachusetts. My office is located at the University of Massachusetts, where I'm also a professor working on urban forestry issues around New England and New York, the Midwest, and the Mid-Atlantic. One of the things I just wanted to talk to you about today is an exciting new project that we're going to be working on with folks from Sabis International Charter School in Springfield. What we're going to be working on is the mapping and valuation of trees found in the 16 acres neighborhood in the areas adjacent and around the school. What we're hoping to do is to look at the urban forest, to teach the students about the urban forest, about the trees, the green space, and all of the natural components of what makes up the areas around 16 acres, and to provide the students with an experience that will allow them to understand a little bit about the kind of trees we have, how the trees grow, what they need to grow, and how they can survive in a urbanized landscape such as here in Springfield. What we're going to actually calculate are the benefits that the trees provide in the 16 acres neighborhood. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to utilize some students, some of the middle school and the junior high students will be going out into the field, on the streets, into the nearby natural areas, and they're actually going to be looking at trees. They're going to be looking at the condition of those trees, and then we're going to put that into a calculator that we have called the Tree Benefits Calculator. And this Tree Benefits Calculator utilizes a software called iTree, which is a new product from the U.S. Forest Service. The iTree product really is a revolutionary way for individuals and folks to take a look at how the urban forest really functions in a dollars and cents value. So instead of looking at it from an environmental standpoint, we're also going to look at that from a dollars and cents standpoint so that we can compare and look at the importance of trees as we look at it as part of what makes up our cities and towns. So over the summer, what we're going to be doing is developing a training program, a little educational work plan that the students will be utilizing or doing in the fall. For about a 2-week period in the fall, we're going to come to a couple workshops. We're going to take the kids out into the field, and we're going to actually look at some trees. What we're looking for right now are a couple individuals, a couple leaders, a couple students that would want to work with Mr. Kiley over the summer and actually work with him to develop what this program will ultimately be. You'll be working on development of some of the training materials. You'll be learning a little bit about the urban forest. You'll be learning about tree identification. You'll be learning a lot of different things about what makes up a tree and how it can survive in the city. The 2 students that are chosen will actually work during the summer and get paid a small stipend, but actually make a little bit of money working with Mr. Kiley on the development of the tools that we'll be using in the fall. Come fall time, we'll also rely on you to assist in a little bit of the training and then to help to supervise or to lead some of the middle school students and junior high students out working along the neighborhood in 16 acres. The main goal of this project is to provide some learning, a sense of achievement, a sense of accomplishment, and really provide you with a way that you can really take a look at the urban forest, but also lead others. And that's what's so important here is the help that you can provide to Mr. Kiley is really going to be an important, valuable lesson for you, not only from learning about the environment, but also learning a little bit about what it takes to be a leader. So hopefully we'll have a few students or a couple students that will want to work over the course of the summer. We'll want to become engaged in looking at the urban forest, and then we'll want to work with both Mr. Kiley and myself in September and really develop and really take the students out and really show them how to do some of the field work. The goal of this project in the overall sense is to develop a quantitative or a dollar value for the trees that are growing in the 16 acres neighborhood. And with that, we can then inform the residents of the neighborhood, the public officials like the mayor and the city council, as well as other people on how important the trees are as an integral part of what makes up your neighborhood. And so the idea here is to really train you folks to help train, go out and actually train the students that will be working in the field. It should be a fun experience. I know you're going to learn a lot. And with your interest in urban forests, with forestry, with trees, and with the environment, I think it'll be a great summer project, a great summer employment opportunity, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun along the way working with Mr. Kiley and myself. So again, thanks for listening to this little bit here, but hopefully if you're interested, just try to track down Mr. Kiley and let him know that you want to help, and we'll try to see if we can find a place for you during this summer. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.